We all have bad habits we'd like to get rid of, and we give ourselves the same pep talk. I'm quitting smoking for real this time. I'm done with gambling. No more eating after 8 p.m. And then tomorrow comes, we light up and hit the bag of Doritos and feel defeated and guilty because we know better and still can't stop ourselves from doing things we know are bad for us. Our brains don't take to change easily. Breaking an unhealthy habit can be done, but it takes intention and some effective behavior modification techniques. But even before that, it helps to understand what's happening in our brains and with our self-talk. Habits, good or bad, are routines. And routines, like taking a shower or driving to work, are automatic and they make our lives easier. Bad habits are a little different, and when we try to break them, we create dissonance. And the brain doesn't like that. According to Dr. Laura Marquez, Associate Professor of Psychology at Harvard Medical School, the limbic system in the brain activates the fight, flight, or freeze response, and our reaction is to avoid this perceived threat and go back to our old behavior, even though we know it's bad. We just can't kick it. While breaking bad habits can definitely be challenging, with persistence and the right strategies, it's possible to get past them and establish new, positive habits in their place. Here are 10 effective strategies that can help you break bad habits for good. Please stick around till the end. Understand what triggers your bad habit. It could be stress, boredom, or specific situations. Once you identify the triggers, you can work at avoiding or managing them. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to stop smoking, say, I want to reduce my cigarette intake by half in the next month. Now that is a concrete, manageable, and measurable goal. Habits are hard to break because they're ingrained in our routine. Replace the bad habit with a healthier alternative. For example, if you're trying to cut down on junk food, have healthy snacks readily available and drink more water. This can help make you feel full so you reduce your craving. Make it easy to start a good habit. For example, if you want to start exercising, commit to just 2 minutes of activity. Often, starting is the hardest part, and this rule helps lower the barrier. Being aware of when and why you're engaging in a bad habit can help you control it. Notice the circumstances you're in or how you're feeling when you engage in a bad habit. What's fueling these feelings? This can be a place to start in understanding your behavior. Share your goals with friends or family who support you. Sometimes having someone to hold you accountable makes a significant difference. Positive reinforcement can motivate you to keep going. Celebrate your victories and reward yourself when you make progress. Anticipate challenges and plan how you'll deal with them. If you're trying to quit drinking, have a plan for social situations where alcohol is involved. Breaking a habit takes time, and setbacks are normal. If you slip up, don't be too hard on yourself. Reflect on what led to the setback and use it as a learning experience and keep working toward your desired result. As with any kind of change, data is feedback. To track your progress, you first have to measure it. Keeping a journal or using an app to track your progress can provide motivation and help you see how far you've come. Implementing these strategies consistently can make a difference in breaking bad habits. But as with anything you do, it all comes down to desire, commitment, and living according to your values. And speaking of value, if you found value in this video, please drop a like or a comment, as this really helps a new channel get discovered. Thanks for watching. Take care and best of luck on your journey to more positive habits.